You are designing an order management system in Azure that needs to coordinate several components. The workflow is as follows. A customer submits an order via App 1, which then generates a message to verify stock with two vendors. An integration component must ingest this message and subsequently trigger either Function 1 or Function 2, depending on the specific order type. Upon vendor verification, the chosen function must return a status message back to App 1, while concurrently logging all transaction stages to Storage 1. Which Azure resource is best suited to act as the central integration component for this workflow? A. Azure Functions. B. Azure Logic Apps. C. Azure Service Bus. D. Azure Event Grid.
Let's review the options. Option A, an Azure Service Bus queue. Option B, an Azure Data Factory pipeline. Option C, an Azure Event Grid domain. Option D, an Azure Event Hubs capture. This question asks us to identify the right Azure messaging or integration service capable of handling a transactional order workflow, managing message routing, and ensuring reliable communication between distributed applications. In my view, the correct answer is an Azure Service Bus queue. Service Bus is a highly reliable messaging service designed for transactional, enterprise-level communication between distributed applications and services. It supports features like message queues and topics that allow for asynchronous processing, reliable delivery, and competing consumer patterns, which are critical for processing orders where message sequence and durability matter. Let's look at why the other options are incorrect. Azure Data Factory is used primarily for ETL and data movement rather than application-to-application messaging. Azure Event Grid is best suited for discrete event routing, such as when a file is created, but it lacks the sophisticated queuing and transaction control needed for order management. Finally, Azure Event Hubs is optimized for high-throughput streaming telemetry and data ingestion, making it unsuitable for transactional order processing.